Welcome to WebStarPlus. Llama 4 has been released with a massive context window. To be precise, it features a 10 million token context window. Looks like the context limitations of AI are about to become a thing of the past. The most accessible and scalable generation of Llama is here. Native multimodality, mixture of experts models, super long context windows, step changes in performance, and unparalleled efficiency. The Llama 4 variants are Llama 4 Scout, Llama 4 Maverick, Llama 4 Behemoth Preview. Llama 4 Behemoth Preview is yet to be released. So how to test Llama 4, how to use Llama 4 online, how to use Llama 4 without downloading, how to download Llama 4 on PC. I will show you everything in this video. First of all, stats. Llama 4 beats Gemini 2.0, ChatGPT 4, Grok 3, DeepSeek 3, but it did not beat Gemini 2.5 Pro Experimental, according to lmarena. I see a pattern here. Llama gets upgraded, it leaves Gemini and ChatGPT behind, then Gemini gets an upgrade, that leaves Llama behind, then ChatGPT gets upgrade, that leaves Llama behind. Grok is trying to catch up, but Gemini alone is giving tough time to Llama, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Grok, and others. Llama 4 Maverick is ranking on second position on AI ranking charts. Llama 4 is multimodal and multilingual. It's open source with open weights, not 100% open source. I will talk about it in a minute. But Llama 4 can handle and process text, images, and files. Llama 4 was pre-trained and fine-tuned for unrivaled text understanding across 12 languages. And here is a comparison of Llama 4 variants against other AIs. When tested for coding, reasoning, knowledge, vision understanding, multilinguality, and long context, you can see all variants of Llama 4 dominating the score in many areas. This is a very insightful information on Llama 4 on this Twitter profile. First impressions, Llama 4 Maverick is good, but underperforms DeepSeek R1 on text. For example, it failed double base 64 string decoding test. Chat capability seems better, but it's not too surprising when comparing with a reasoning model. You can chat with Llama 4 on Meta AI. Based on vibe checks, it's probably Scout because it's not that smart. Llama 4 Maverick takes the second place in chatbot arena. Llama 4 models were trained with an updated knowledge cutoff in August 2024. Llama 4's new license comes with several limitations. Companies with more than 700 million monthly active users must request a special license from Meta, which Meta can grant or deny at its sole discretion. You must promptly display built with Llama on websites, interfaces, documentations, etc. Any AI model you create using Llama materials must include Llama at the beginning of its name. You must include the specific attribution notice in a notice text file with any distribution. Your use must comply with Meta's separate acceptable use policy, and so on. So it's not 100% open source. Okay, Llama 4 is not available on Hugging Face Chat or Hugging Chat. We have Llama 3.3 70B Instruct on Hugging Chat. Llama 4 is not available on Ollama yet. This is LM Studio, and this is their model catalog. Llama 4 is also not available on LM Studio. But you can use Llama 4 online on Meta AI, that is using Maverick and Scout. When I asked Meta AI about the model being used, it responded like this. I am built on Llama 4, but I don't have direct access to the specific model variants like Scout or Maverick. My architecture is based on Llama 4 framework, which incorporates elements from the entire series, including Scout and Maverick. This allows me to leverage strengths of each model to provide accurate and helpful responses, similar to what OpenAI wants to achieve with ChatGPT. Then we have lmarena. On lmarena, you can use Llama 4 Maverick. You can compare it with other AIs. You can even upload a file for it to process. To download Llama 4, you can go to Llama downloads page and download Llama 4 Scout or Llama 4 Maverick. Or you can download it from Hugging Face. You can download Llama Maverick and Scout from these places and use these on your PC. You can also use Llama 4 Maverick by using API from OpenRouter. By using API, you can use Llama 4 in your app without downloading it. Process is same as I have demonstrated in my previous videos. If it's available on OpenRouter, it can be used in VS Code in coding as well via VS Code extensions. Now, Ollama, Hugging Chat, and other similar places are not offering Llama 4 yet, but it will be available there eventually. So this is how you can use Llama 4 online or download it on your PC. Stay tuned for more exciting updates on AI. Links are in description. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.